Hi guys, welcome to the third lecture of Module 12. In this lecture, we'll be seeing how to assign rails. So to assign rails, first I'll delete these here. We'll be assigning these here, and I'll delete these two also. To assign rails, I'll go to level 1 here, and you can see the rail option here. We have two here. Sketch a path and place on stairs and ramp. So we'll be seeing both. We'll be seeing the sketch rail option first. Uh, place rails. Sorry. So to place rails on stairs, we just need to select the stair, and then automatically this gets selected and it gets placed on the railing. Then you can definitely change those type of railing here, and then to the sketch part. First, I'll use this line tool here. Need to have a separate sketch. Maybe I need to have a break here. To break that, I'll use the like this, and then we can here. Let so to edit this, I'll go to AI. This is how we create this edit type here, and then we have a lot of options here to change the page structures. There are different structures available. You can change uh, the profile here. This and see some changes here on the first tree. Can do that changes here also. Can make some add some pilasters here, and you can make some changes in the rail like different structures as per required. Can do that changes and definitely change the railing type here to rectangle, and then again to last this we have seen couple of times, and do these changes also, and put an offset from the path also. You don't want this on the side, you can have some offset here. I'll have so you can see an offset here. Okay. Now you can see that the offset is clear now. Can do these kind of settings, modification of the rail also, and then make the you need to go on training here. Both options we have seen place stairs, you just need to select the stairs which you want, and the slope of the railing all gets selected automatically. We don't need to manually have some slope, add some slope on that. And then on the normal structure, it's better you sketch the railing. That's about it for the railing.